Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So Krishna likes to be related with his devotee as father and mother. Here in this material world, we try to make our relationship with the Supreme as father, but Krishna wants to become the son. Therefore, Nanda Gopal. He takes pleasure to become a devotee's son. The ordinary man, they want God as father, but that is not very pleasing to Krishna. Father means to become father means always botheration, give me this, give me this, give me this, give me this. You see? Of course, Krishna has got immense potencies to supply. Eko ju bahunam vidudati kama. He can supply everyone as much he wants. He is supplying food to the elephant. He is supplying food to the ant. Why not to the human being? But these rascals, they do not know. They are working day and night like ass to find out bread. And if he goes to church, they are also, give me bread. They are only bread problem, that's all. Although the living entity is the son of the richest, opulent person, but he has created his bread problem. This is called ignorance. He thinks that if I do not solve my bread problem, if I do not drive my trucks day and night, that's such a nonsense civilization, you see. Bread problem. Where is bread problem? Krishna can supply, if he can supply food to the elephant. In Africa there are millions and millions of African elephants, you know, and they are supplied food. Then Bhagavad says, don't waste your time for this bread problem. Don't waste your time. Tasyaiva heta prajateta kovida na labhati jad brahmatam uparjat. Don't waste your time. How to solve your economic problems? This is nonsense. Of course, it is very revolutionary. People will hate me. The what Swamiji is speaking. But actually this is the fact. This is another madness. Suppose you have got your rich father, enough food, where is your economic problem? This is madness. There is no economic problem. If you know that my father is the richest man of this city, then where is my economic problem? Actually that is the position. We have no economic problem. Everything is there, complete. Purnam, Purnamada, Purnamadam, Purnat Purnamudachyati. Everything is complete there. You want water, just see, there are oceans of water. You want purified water, you cannot, although the ocean water is so much, when there is scarcity of water, you have to take help of Krishna. He will evaporate the water, he will make it cloud, then when it falls down, then it becomes sweet, otherwise you cannot touch. Everything under control. Everything is full, water, light, heat, everything is complete. Purnat Purnamudachyate, Purnasa Purnamadaya, Purnameva avashishyate. His talk is never finished. Simply you become obedient and the supply is there. You can understand. These Krishna consciousness persons, they have no problem, economic problem. Everything is sufficiently supplied by Krishna. In Los Angeles, the neighbors, they are very envious. You do not work, you have no anxiety, and you have got 4 cars, you are eating so nicely. How is that? They inquire from our devotees. That is the actual fact. We are spending so much money, we have got so many centers, the calculation is about $70,000 we are spending. We supply. Somehow or other we are getting. So there is no problem. You simply become sincere servant of Krishna, everything is there. This is the test.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.